Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 21st of October. I'm James Spann. Most of Alabama getting widespread rain this evening. A chance of strong, maybe severe storms, mainly for the southern quarter of the state tonight. And the weekend forecast, very iffy at this point. More questions than answers. So let's take a look at things. Here's the upper ear look. Got a long wave trough digging down across the middle of the nation. That's produced some very active weather for the past 24 hours. These are the severe weather reports from yesterday and last night. And you can see 5 reports of tornadoes, including 1 in the Dallas area, 1 in the Memphis area, and a lot of reports of hail. But let's move on to what's happening now. These are temperatures. It's cool up in northwest Alabama with rain falling. The Shoals and Haleyville, mid-60s. Mid-70s for Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa. And then down to the south, you've got low 80s for Mobile and Dothan. That's where the air is unstable. In fact, this is the surface-based CAPE, convective available potential energy. And you can see we've got a max of 1,500 joules per kilogram around Camden and Monroeville down in southwest Alabama. That's where the better chance of any severe weather will be this evening. That was the radar at 228, just a large mass of rain moving across the northern part of the state, not seeing any thunder or lightning at this point. There's the watch warning map. Wind advisories up around that deep surface low that's up north. In fact, let me roll the animation here. This is the visible satellite view today. Got your classic mid-latitude cyclone with a trailing front. And conditions are very windy up around that low coming in toward the Great Lakes. Here's the severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight. Got a marginal risk as far north as the Ohio River. And you can see in Alabama, we've got the standard slight risk south of a line from near Demopolis and Uniontown down to about Troy and Abbeville. The area is in yellow, and that's where the better instability will be, and that's where there could be a few, maybe brief, isolated tornadoes. The rest of the state in darker green, that's a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. And there could be some gusty winds in there, but again, we're just not seeing any thunder or lightning. Hard to get convection going this far north. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms on the Atlantic coast, specifically parts of the Carolinas. And on day 3, Wednesday, that looks pretty calm. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The east and the southeast is fairly wet. In Alabama, rain amounts about 2 inches. This counts the rain we see today and the rain we see at the end of the week and the weekend. And we'll talk more about that in just a second. Tropics quiet. Hurricane season technically goes until the end of November, but things are looking awfully calm for now. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Troughing over the east, and we are in a dry slot. A very dry air mass. A beautiful day. The sky's sunny. High should be in the low 70s. Wednesday, sunny. We start the day in the low 40s. And again, the high should be in the low 70s. Thursday, we're still dry. We'll call it partly sunny, low to mid 70s. And then Friday, a little wave comes in, and you can see that the GFS suggests we'll see some rain on Friday. And really, this is suggesting it might be the better chance Friday morning. Saturday, the GFS looking dry for most of the state, and Sunday the GFS looks dry. So if you take this run on face value, the weekend would be cool and dry, but not so fast. Let's go to the European global model, which tends to be a little more reliable in the medium range. This is Friday. That looks wet. Saturday, a surface low west of the state that's northeast of Shreveport. And that would suggest a rather unsettled day, cloudy with a chance of rain at times. And Sunday, that surface low moves up towards St. Louis, and we'll have a cold front coming in with still a chance of showers and maybe even some thunders. So, again, the weekend forecast, as we talked about this morning, about as clear as mud. The American model looking dry, the European model looking wet. And I think we'll certainly trend toward this more active solution and mention a chance of rain at times, Friday, Saturday, and possibly Sunday. And understand, we can pinpoint the weekend forecast in much better clarity later this week. But I wouldn't change plans or get too worried about anything you're seeing here because, trust me, this will all change. Go to Monday, the zonal flow, and that looks like maybe some rain east of here. This is back to the GFS. Let's go out 10 days. This is Halloween, Thursday, October 31st. Cold vortex over the east and That's a cold, dry air mass, a 1,032 millibar high over Missouri. And if that's right, Halloween looks kind of chilly and cold for much of the eastern half of the country. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble. The mean over 4 inches between now and the first week of November. And highs are very seasonal. We're in the 70s today, and after that, a lot of 60s during the day, a lot of 40s at night. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.